As editor-in-chief of SeniorLiving.Org, I've recommended that every senior take our free online hearing test. But it's not just me. Even audiologists, who could lose business to our test, well, they recommend it. Here's audiologist Brad Ingrao.
And so having something online, even if it's just that beginning screening part, I find is really, really important in breaking down some of the barriers of access that are keeping roughly 4 out of 5 people who have hearing problems that are bad enough that it's interfering with their lives from doing something about it.
The link to our online test is in the description. And if the test does reveal hearing deficiencies, then visit an audiologist for a more in-depth analysis. And keep coming back to SeniorLiving.org and our YouTube channel to learn how to age with ease.